Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your TSB mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com. In the Google search bar, search for TSB mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of TSB. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and click login, which is on the top right hand corner or if you want to go to login or if you want to go to mortgage, click mortgage and you can see the mortgage options. You can view this and you can explore, and to login, click login, which is on the top right hand corner. It will take you to a login portal where you can see that there is option of signing in using your user ID. So you can just go ahead and write down your user ID and click continue. After that, write down your password, click sign in, and then you can successfully sign into your TSB mortgage account. If you are attempting to log in to a business account, click here and then it will lead you to another portal where you must write similar details like your personal account, just like your user ID and your company ID. So write down your user ID, press continue, write down your company ID, press continue, write down your password and click sign in. This way you can sign in to your business account quite easily. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and see that there is a register button on the top right hand side. Click register and all you need to do is download the app and you can fill your personal information and open a TSB mortgage account quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your TSB mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.